Hello, this is Math 116 online orientation that I put together for you. My name is Asya Wade. I will be your instructor this summer for Math 116. This is again an online course. My email address is asya.wade@csn.edu. So this course is, the name is Technical Mathematics, and again, it's an online course. I want to take a few minutes to go over some important information about the course and what is expected from you this summer semester. So remember that online courses have exactly the same objectives and expectations found in a traditional lecture course. The difference between the courses is the method in which the objectives are taught and delivered. One of the biggest advantages to online learning is that you decide when you want to learn. Keep in mind that does not mean that online is going to be easier, and it does not mean that it's self-paced. Online courses require you to be very self-disciplined. Just because you won't be sitting through a lecture on campus does not make this course easier. You should expect to spend at least 3 to 6 hours each week on coursework. And because it's an 8-week summer course, you will probably be spending more than that. Each week you will need to watch course lecture videos, do homework, check course announcements. There are deadlines for everything. I set homework deadlines for every Tuesday and Friday. The deadline covers the lecture and the exercises. All the assignments are open from day one, from June 7th. You can start ahead and work ahead as much as you'd like. The goal is not to fall behind. You will need to study. Some students sign up for an online courses because they don't like math and they're hoping that online is going to be easier. It is not. Okay, remember, it's not easier. I find students that struggle with math struggle with online courses even more. I post announcements or send emails at least once a week. Make sure you check both Canvas and your CSN email regularly. And you can also find announcements right here on your Canvas homepage. My office hours for the summer basically are going to be by appointment, so please email me. I'm happy to meet with you using the conference feature in Canvas, the big blue button. So you just need to email me at asya.wade@csn.edu, and then we will schedule a time to meet. So when we schedule the time to meet, you're going to just go into your Canvas homepage, and right here, just click that button during our meeting time, and then we will be able to meet one-on-one. The course grading for this course, your exams are going to be 70%, so you have exams 1 through 5, okay, 5 exams. Your MyLab math homework is going to be 15%, and then you have participation discussions, which is 15%. So all the assignments for this course are going to be under modules. So you can either enter modules through here, through two different locations. Okay, so you just click on those and then it'll take you to modules. And here's a little preview of what you're going to see in modules. You're going to see a set of assignments, just like I've shown here. This usually is going to be a lecture, okay, the lecture video. And then you have this little symbol represents the homework from MyMathLab. And then you have a lecture video with the discussion sometimes. And then you will have a short video with the quiz sometimes. So those are basically what the different icons mean. But everything's going to be in modules and they're going to come in order. So there's a video that discusses modules and MyLab and Mastering. You do have to purchase the homework program. MyMathLab has a 14-day temporary access, so everyone will be able to register immediately. So you can get going on your homework. And of course, your first deadline is not January 22nd. It's going to be June 11th, I believe, right, is the Friday, that first Friday of June 11th at 11:59 p.m. Okay, So you want to register for MyMathLab immediately. Again, you have immediate access, free access for 14 days, but you will have to purchase it within those 14 days, okay? Your homework is going to be saved, but you will no longer be able to work on the homework after the 14 days. So make sure you register by MathLab in the first 2 weeks of school. So exam information. So your exams will be available each exam will be available for 3 days. It's going to be available for 3 days. But you need to pick a 2-hour time slot where you are going to complete your exam. So you have to start and finish your exam within the 2 hours. So you pick your 2-hour time slot in the 3 open days that I've given you. But the final deadline is going to be June 18th at 11:59 p.m. So that's the same for all 5 exams. You have at least 3 open days, and then you will have a deadline. So you need to make sure you submit it by that time. And with your exam that you will complete in MyMathLab, you will also do you will upload your written work along for the exam into Canvas. And as we get closer to the first exam, I will tell you what that's all about, okay? But you basically have another little tab in modules that says upload written work. So when you take the exam, then you are going to upload your written work in the next little tab following your exam on modules. And again, we'll discuss that as we get closer. But that is a requirement. Exam reviews can be found on Canvas. I will give you exam reviews for each exam. Exams are a mixture of multiple choice and open response. The class discussions are an attempt to better replicate the on-campus course experience. Student interaction is a valuable part of learning and is part of your grade. Each chapter has multiple discussions that will cover a real-world application of the chapter material. When posting, please be respectful of your classmates, use proper grammar, and steer clear of abbreviations. You are not required to reply to other students in the course. I want the discussions to feel natural. Reply to a post if you want, but it is not part of your grade. Read over the syllabus and course schedule. Make sure you read over the syllabus and the course schedule. Make sure you are clear on the exam expectations, okay, and the upload expectations. Watch the MyLab and Math overview video. Register for MyLab and Math. As soon as you're done watching this video, you need to get going on your homework. Complete the syllabus overview assignment on Canvas, and then start Module 1. So good luck. I'm here to help you. If you get stuck, please reach out to me. Again, you can reach me at my email address, asia.wade@csn.edu. Okay, looking forward to hearing from you, and best of luck.